Hello everyone, my name is Nadine. I am the owner of NG Platinum Homes and welcome. Today we're going to talk about modern farmhouse design and how you can achieve that in your home. So modern farmhouse is exactly what it is. It brings a more contemporary aesthetic to a more rustic country style home. Modern farmhouse has been very popular. A lot of people think it's kind of going out of style, but I don't think so. Especially here in Texas, we see that it's still quite popular. And there's some certain key elements that you want to incorporate into your home when wanting to achieve this modern farmhouse style. So some of the key elements that you want to think about when incorporating modern farmhouse into your own home is mixing that modern contemporary style with elements that are more rustic, like shiplap, exposed beams, and of course, one of the most famous pieces of modern farmhouse is barn doors. And you can put barn doors in places like pantries, you can put barn doors in bathrooms, you can use them to close off offices. We have done all of those and they all look amazing. And you can do it in many different colors. You don't necessarily have to go with that wood rustic look. You can do painted style like white, or if you really want to incorporate that more modern into that, we did it in a home recently where we had a pantry door that we put a barn door on it and it was painted black. So that black pantry door really kept with that color schemes that you see a lot in modern farmhouse. And that is going to be blacks, neutrals like creams and whites. Those are very popular. So when decorating your home in modern farmhouse, the matte black is very popular. People tend to use this on fixtures, on hardware for your cabinetry, light fixtures, fans, anywhere where there's metal, you want to consider using matte black. The white and black is really the most popular, but you don't necessarily have to stick with that. In modern farmhouse, it's pretty flexible. So you can add into that some very nice printed tiles like these here, or putting some color in there, blues. Those sage greens are also very popular in modern farmhouse, so you can consider adding some of those in to add some color to your space. So that all white kitchen with white countertops and white cabinets with that matte black hardware is typical of modern farmhouse, and you can incorporate other rustic items like oversized clocks. Like I mentioned, ceiling beams in the kitchen are a really great option, and that is something to really consider when going for that modern farmhouse look. So the other key elements for modern farmhouse are metal light fixtures and of course the mason jars. So you can incorporate those into both. So you can also see those out there where they actually have light fixtures that are made with mason jars, and that's really amazing. But you want to be careful that you don't overdo it, because I think a lot of people can tend to really overdo it on the modern farmhouse look. Too many accents, too much rustic elements. So it's very easy to go overboard with these things, so you got to be careful with that. So these are the key features on modern farmhouse if you really like that. I hope these tips were helpful. Until then, keep designing your life, and I'll see you in the next one.